Hi everyone, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to create a project from sale order without our service line. So let's dive into the sales module. And from here, let's create a new quotation. We can click on new button to create the new quotation and we can fill out the details of the customer. I would like to consider the customer as Joel Wells and we just need to add the product over here. So in previous version, if a product is a service product, then only we were able to create a project. But right now, if the product is not a service product, even if it's not a service product, we can easily create the project. So here you can see that under the settings, we have the option to create the project. But in order to create a project from a sale order, first we have to confirm the sale order. If we just try to create a project without setting it to be a sale order, that might create error. So let's confirm it. And afterwards here, we can just move on to these settings and click on create a project. So let me say that the name of the project is just ABC and let's create it. So once we click on create, you can see that we can just add the stages of the task and we'll be able to create the project over here. Now, as you just move on to the project module, you would be able to find the created project from the sale order without a service line. So here you can find that. So this is a new feature available in Odoo 19 project module. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.